Look what I have. It's a piece of wood. What's on the wood? What is it? They're oranges. That's right. Oh, there's something on the back. There's 2 holes on the back. And look, there's the number 2. And it's orange, just like the oranges. What's that? You see the letter A? I see it too now. Is that the big A or is that the little A? That's right, it's the little A. Good job. I just noticed something. There's 2 oranges. The number 2 is in orange, and there's 2 holes. Guess what though? I have something in my pocket. I have 2 orange pegs. I bet they go in the hole. Say in, and we'll put them in. In. Good job. The pegs fit in the hole. There's 2 orange pegs. The number 2 is in orange. And there are 2 oranges. Great job. You're so smart. What's that? That's the big bee. What's that? That's the little bee. When you see a big bee, put your hands up like this and lean back, go big bee. When you see the little bee, go little bee. Good job. Big bee. Little bee. Big bee. Little bee. Good job. You're so good at this game. You did great. What's that? What is that? It's an orange barn. Yeah. You hear that? There's something inside. Let's open it and see what's inside. Open. Ooh, what is that? It's a lion, a little lion. Little orange lion, and he's got a brown mane. Ooh. Let's put him back inside his orange barn. Let's put the lid back on. Good job! He's back inside his orange barn. What's on the front? What is that? It's a number 9. That's right. Good job. Say bye-bye, lion. Bye-bye. What color is that? It's black. Yeah, good job. Can you find something black and bring it to me to show me? Yeah? Okay, cool. I'll count to 10. Go find something black and bring it to me. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find something black? Yeah? Let me see. What'd you find? That's cool. Good job finding something black. I found something black too. You want to see? Yeah? Okay. It's a black boot. It's a little black boot. Isn't it cool? Not as cool as your black object, but that's cool. Good job. You're doing fantastic with your colors. You're so smart. What animal is that? It's got wings. What animal is that? It's got a beak. It's a bird. It's a bird. Good job. What's you see the letter B? Is it a big B or is it a little B? It's a big B. Yeah? Good job! You found the letter B and you know what a bird looks like. Good job! Look what I have. It's a white egg. Yeah, that's right. What's inside? It's orange in color, but what shape is that? It's a circle. That's right. And you can put it back together. Say together and we'll put them back together. Together, together. The egg is put back together. Thanks, that was awesome. What's that sound? Do you hear it? What is that? It's a mouse. That's so cool. It's a little mouse going around going squeak, 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 squeak. Can you act like a mouse? Squeak, 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 squeak. Good job. What's that? You see the letter M? Where's the M? Can you point to it? I see it now. Is it the big M or is it a little M? It's the big M. Good job! You found the letter M and you knew what a mouse sounded like. Good job! You're so smart. What animal is that? It's big and it's brown and it has fur. What is it? It's a bear. That's right. Good job. What's that? You see the letter B? Is it the big B or is it the little B? It's the big B. Cool, good job. You identified the letter B and a bear. Good job.
Let's try a pattern. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Hummingbird, teddy bear. What do you think comes next in this pattern? That's right, a teddy bear. You're doing great.
I'm so happy, happy, happy. It makes me want to dance. Happy, happy, so, so happy. And now I'm sad. I'm so sad. I want to cry. I'm so sad. Boo-hoo. So sad. But I'm happy. Can you make a happy face with me? Happy, I'm so happy, happy, happy. I'm smiling, I'm happy. Can you make a sad face now? I'm so sad. It's a frowny face. So sad. I'm gonna cry. Say boo-hoo, boo-hoo. I'm so sad. Good job with your emotions. You know what a happy face is and a sad. Good job. Let's sing row, row, row your boat together. Are you ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job. Can you do it with me? Now go row, row. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job! One more time? Yeah? Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job!
Let's say our ABCs together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job!
Look what I have. What is it? It's a spoon. That's right. What do we use a spoon for? That's right. We use it to eat. Yeah. Let's pretend to eat. I have a bowl. You take some food and you... One more time. That's so much fun pretending to eat with a spoon. Good job!
How many spoons are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! There's 8 spoons here.
I had so much fun with you guys today. Come back and see me again, okay? Bye!